The voice of this video is prepared by me. Canva is a graphic design platform that got millions of users worldwide. In this video, I am going to introduce some interesting AI-powered tools in Canva. I tested almost all applications from here and selected those that are really interesting and working as well. For this video, I focused on image and video tools. Let's start. Speed Painter. When you open the applications here, you have two options: use an existing design or use a new design. Since I started a new design, I will click here and then whiteboard. I upload an image to create a speed painting video. Generate. This looks awesome, right?
Don't forget subscribe, like and comment if you like the content. Otherwise, I will take your favorite pet.
You can click on share and then download. Since we selected whiteboard as output, we cannot download it. Either we can copy and paste our generation into new video format, or from beginning instead of whiteboard, you should select video. Colorize, new design, and presentation. Since it will be an image, it says upload a black and white image. Since I do not have it, I will ask ChatGPT to provide for me. With PNG format, let's upload this. And now our picture is colored beautifully and accurately. VoxelArt. I'm going to upload this humanoid robot picture. And this is the result, an image with logos. Lalamu Studio. I will select video output, but upload the previous image. Let's see if it works. I am writing I can be your girlfriend. Do you like me? Do not forget I am a humanoid robot. Let's choose a woman voice. Even you can upload your audio, then generate lip sync video.
I can be your girlfriend. Do you like me? Do not forget I am a humanoid robot.
Good, but the lips have been blurred a little bit. Let's try my own video.
Have you seen my animation video?
Good. Again, the lips have been blurred a little bit. In case if you missed it, I made an animation by model training in Leonardo AI that got many views. You can check my channel, Profilephoto. I selected my avatar photo. Let's see what it will produce. Oh, not that bad. Animeify. Let's try some of these pictures. And this snail looks good.
Don't forget like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.